Hi guys, my name is Reggie. I'm the Chief Technician Master Detailer from Mafra. This video is going to be about Idrostop. Idrostop is a waterproof rejuvenating spray that creates a hydrophobic barrier, anti-stain, anti-rain on convertible tops, fabrics inside and outside of the car. It even prevents against mold. The easiest way to use this product is to shake before use, check the cover for that it's completely clean, and just spray from left to right and one spray from right to left. It goes a little bit of something like this. Ali? And try to get it as homogenic as possible. There is room for an extra application if you want. It creates an anti-stain barrier. After application, wait at least 2 to 4 hours, depending on the climate or the environment where you're working in, to reach maximum results. We've waited for the complete cycle for the product to dry into the surface, and now let's see the result. Ali, if you please. Show on the other side. No hydrophobic effect.